Yep.
Hi, I'm Brett Wyckoff, Technical Director for MFA Lakeshore. This is part 3 of our video tryout training session. So your coach may ask you to do this training session as part of your tryout. Before we start, I'm going to remind you again that there are some important elements to every training session here at MFA. First of all, it's all about how many quality touches you can get every training session, all right? So with that in mind, just please keep these points in your head. Plant foot's always next to the ball. Ball's always between your hips. If you want to go right, you cut with the outside of your right. If you want to go left, you cut with the outside of your left. All of those things allow you to be balanced and explosive, and that's how we always want you as a player, all right? So keep that in mind. Also remember that we know you're going to make mistakes, and we also expect you to correct those mistakes, not the next training session, but as you make them. So if you make a mistake while you're doing this, just fix it right away. That's something we're always going to ask you to do. That's the way to improve your technical ability more quickly. So keep that in mind. Now, as far as this session goes, I'm going to quick explain it and then I'll demonstrate it for you. Each one of these cones is about 5 yards apart. So if you set this session up, again, you don't need cones. You can use socks, t-shirts, or whatever you have laying around. But just drop one cone, take 5 big steps, drop a middle cone, 5 big steps from the middle cone out in each direction, and that you'll have the grid set up that you need. Basically, this is going to ask you, this is very technical, all right? So I'm going to go through each section of the shape that's in here, this diamond shape, and do a different element of technique that's part of the basic elements that I demonstrated before. So we'll start where the ball is. We'll go touch step with your right foot to the middle. I'm going to go to my right after that, so we'll cut around the middle cone with my right foot. Touch step with my left to the outside there. When I come back in the middle, I'm going to do outside inside with my right, cut around the middle cone, outside inside with my left, cut around this near cone, outside inside right to left, back to the middle, from the middle to the far cone out there. I'm going to do a rake step, cut around that cone, step, push to the middle, and then the final segment is a scissors, all right? If you've watched these videos, all the technical elements, the basics I've been talking about, we're always practicing them in the same order, all right? So it's a good thing to kind of maybe commit that order to memory a little bit and work at it as you go. So here we go.